Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve problem number 1910, remove all occurrences of a substring. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. We have given two strings s and part. Okay, we have to perform the following operation on s until all occurrences of the substring part are removed. Okay, we have to find the leftmost occurrence of the substring part and remove it from the string s, and in the end we have to return s after removing all occurrences of part. Okay, a substring is a continuous sequence of characters in a string. Okay, so let's understand this problem statement with an example here. Okay, so here this is my string, right, and this is part string given to us. So from here first you see this abc, okay, and it is same as this abc. Okay, so we are going to remove it. Okay, we have removed this abc. All right, now you move further. Here you reach b. Okay, and then you move here a, then a b c. Okay, again there is one string, okay, which is just like this part, right? So we are just going to remove it. Okay, now we are left with this d a b a b c. Okay, so a b and c. Okay, so we have already deleted this. Okay, and now a b c also forming this part. Okay, so we are going to remove it. Okay, this is done. All right, so now in the end if you see we are left with this d, this a, and this b. Okay, and this is going to be my output. Okay, the following operations are done. So first we have removed this. Okay, remove abc starting at index 2, so my string s is going to look like this. Then we have removed this. Okay, remove abc starting at index 4, so my string s is going to look like this. Then we have removed this abc. Okay, and in the end we are left with this dab. Okay, so this is going to my output. Okay, and the constant size is very small. All right, so now how we are going to solve this problem? Okay, so it's very easy. I'm going to show you total 3 approaches to solve this problem. Okay, so let's understand with the code. Okay, how I'm going to do that. All right, so here first thing, let's calculate the length of my string. Okay, int n is equal to s dot length. Okay, let me just zoom it. Okay, s dot length. All right, so now here let's calculate the length of this part string. Okay, part dot length. Okay, now after that just create one string builder. Okay, string builder sb is equal to new string builder. All right, and now just run one loop. Okay, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, I'm just going to iterate over all the characters in my string s. Okay, so here in the string builder I'm just going to append all the characters. Okay, so sb dot append, and here I'm just going to write s dot character at the particular index I. Okay, so once I append this, so now here I can simply check one thing now, here whether my string builder, okay, it whether my string builder is ending with this part string or not. Okay, after appending this particular character. Okay, so this is what we need to check. Okay, so here I'm just going to write if condition, if sb, okay, my string builder, I'm just going to convert it into string. Okay, I've changed it to string. Now I'm just going to check if this particular string, it ends with what, ends with this part. Okay, so this is one function in strings. Okay, so we can directly check whether our string starts with or ends with that particular string. Okay, we can check that using this. Okay, so here if it ends with this one, okay, so I am just going to delete. Okay, sb dot delete from the string builder. I'm just going to delete the last portion, okay, of length part. Okay, of this length. So here what is the total length of my string? Okay, sb dot length, this is total length of my string builder. From here I'm subtracting p. Okay, this is going to my starting index, and my ending index is going to be sb dot length. So I have deleted all the characters from my string builder. Okay, done. And here in the end we have to just return the string builder. Okay, sb dot to string. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so now let's run it. So let's fix this. Here int I is equal to 0. Okay, so here we haven't written this 0. Okay, so now let's run it. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So this is approach 1 to solve this problem. Okay, so in this approach what we were doing, so here this is my string, right? Initial string, this is like this. Okay, so here I have added this in my string builder, then I have added a in the string builder, then I have added next a in the string builder, then I have added the next string builder, this character in my string builder, then I have added this c in the string builder. Then I see that my string builder, okay, current string builder here last, okay, this current string builder, it ends with this part. Okay, so I'm going to delete all this. Okay, then I'm going to add this b. Okay, then I'm going to add after that a. Okay, then after that I'm going to add one more a, then after that I'm going to add b, and then after that I'm going to add c here. Okay, then again I see that my string builder, it is ending with this part. Okay, so I'm going to remove this, then I'm going to add here this b. Okay, I'm going to add c, then I'm going to see that this string builder is again ending with this part. Okay, so I'm going to delete all this. So in the end, this is my string builder DAB. I'm going to return it. That's it. So this is nothing but my approach 1. Okay, clear? All right, so now after that, let's see the approach 2. Okay, approach 2. So in approach 2 what you can do, okay, so here this is my string builder. Okay, we can use string builder here as well. So here instead of using this ends with, let's use something else. Okay, so here I'm just going to write if, okay, I'm just going to update this. Okay, so this part only. Okay, so this is going to be my approach. Okay, so here I'm just going to write if the sb dot length, okay, if my string builder length, okay, if it is greater than equal to p. Okay, only then we need to check further. Okay, and my sb dot substring, okay, sb dot substring, sb dot length, here I'm just going to write sb dot length. Okay, and here minus p. Okay, just going to subtract that. Okay, so here I'm just going to write if it equals, okay, if that substring equals the part. Okay, so here instead of ends with and ends with, I'm just going to write this portion. Okay, so I'm just going to check the substring which is going to start from sb dot length minus p. Okay, from there, and I'm just using equals here instead of ends with. Okay, so this is one more way to write the same thing. Okay, then in that case I'm just going to use here set length. Okay, this is also one function of string builder. Okay, set length. So here I'm just going to set the length. So here I just write the end index. Okay, where it should end my substring. Okay, so here sb dot length, I'm just going to delete until minus p. Okay, sb dot length minus p. Okay, so here we have efficiently removed the last p characters. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, so this is my approach to. Now let's run it and save the encode issue. We'll try to fix that. So all the test cases are extracted, right? Now let's submit it. So see, this solution is also accepted, right? So now these are two approaches. Okay, now let's see the third approach. Okay, so in first approach we use ends with, in next approach we use this equals, and here set length, okay, function. And now last is going to be much easy than this one. Okay, just few lines. Okay, just 2-3 lines of code. Okay, so here I'm just going to run one while loop. Okay, so here one more important function of string. Okay, so while my s dot contains, okay, my this original string, okay, it contains this particular string part. Okay, so if it contains this, then what I'm going to do, then in that case I'm just going to update my s. Okay, so s dot replace, so from left we have to start now. So replace of first. Okay, and here what we have to replace, we have to replace part. Okay, the first where we have found this part. Okay, and I'm just going to replace it with this. Okay, remove the first occurrence of part. Okay, that's it. Okay, and we have to run this until my string doesn't contain this part. Okay, and here we have to just return s. That's it. Okay, so this is nothing but my approach 3, return s. Okay, let's run the code and see if there are code issues. We'll try to fix that. So yes, so let's fix this. So here what is the issue, let's check that. So here replace first, no, replace of first, no, it is replace first. Okay, so see, all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? Okay, and for all these approaches the time complexity is going to be of length of this string into this length, okay, of n into m. Okay, so that's going to be my time complexity. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.